Nestled in the heart of Asheville, North Carolina, lies one of the world's most advanced luxury material processing facilities.
Every day, hundreds of skilled craftsmen and women enter these doors, Proju, to turn nature's most extraordinary into the world's most coveted luxury.
This is not just a factory. This is where science, craftsmanship, and luxury converge at industrial scale.
Push him up. Watch the tail. Clear the ramp.
From carefully managed farms, crocodiles are transported in specialized vehicles to the processing facility, where the next stage of the journey begins.
Watch the tail on that one. Clear on the left. Bring it down slow. Watch the tail on platform 3. Clear. Moving it now.
The processing journey begins here. These farm-raised crocodiles arrive in an organized operation where every step is carefully managed by the crew. Crocodiles now enter the industrial washing station. Powerful water jets clean the surfaces from every angle, preparing them for the next stage of processing. The crocodiles move through an automated roller conveyor cleaning system. Rotating rollers provide additional cleaning while maintaining a continuous production flow. Next, the crocodiles move through an automated roller conveyor cleaning system. Rotating rollers provide additional cleaning while maintaining a continuous production flow. The process begins with careful inspection and preparation of each hide. Skilled workers open and position the material. To plettets. Each hide is then carefully cleaned to remove remains. The hides are thoroughly washed under controlled conditions, then placed in regulated drying systems. The cleaned hides enter the tanning process, where they are carefully treated to stabilize the material and enhance durability for long-term use. Advanced machinery now separates the crocodile hides with precision and consistency. Each stage is careful. First step, Lundian, a meticulous inspection. Every hide is examined for size, scale pattern, and surface integrity. Belly skin plumes, smooth, uniform, and remarkably consistent forms, commands the highest value in the global leather market. Each hide receives a unique identity, tracked digitally through every stage of production. Before tanning begins, hides enter a controlled rehydration process, restoring natural flexibility lost during preservation.
These industrial drums run around the clock, each cycle precisely timed and monitored.
Behind every perfect piece of leather is chemistry. Our Asheville lab team formulates proprietary tanning solutions with surgical precision.
Foam tanning, the industry's gold standard, penetrates deep into the hide's fiber structure, locking in strength and suppleness.
For hours, the hides tumble in carefully calibrated solutions, emerging transformed.
What enters as a raw hide exits as the foundation of something extraordinary. Excess moisture is pressed out with precision of the dingens, preparing the leather for the critical shaving stage.
Shaving brings every hide to a uniform thickness, a non-negotiable requirement for luxury fashion houses worldwide.
Precision down to the millimeter. Because in luxury, even a fraction makes the difference.
Controlled drying is critical. Too fast and the leather cracks. Too slow and quality suffers. Here, every variable is managed. Toggle drying locks the leather at its optimal dimensions, preventing shrinkage and ensuring a perfectly flat, workable surface. Toggle drying locks the leather at its optimal dimensions, preventing shrinkage and ensuring a perfectly flat, workable surface. Each hide is then carefully dyed, allowing deep and consistent color penetration that enhances the natural texture and character of the leather.
Stacking breaks the fiber bonds just enough, delivering that buttery hand feel that luxury designers demand.
After drying, every single hide is re-inspected by hand. The human eye remains the ultimate quality instrument.
Our Asheville Color Lab develops hundreds of exclusive from classic cognac to deep midnight black.
Luxury color is never one-dimensional. Layer by layer, depth and richness are built into every hide.
Infrared drying sets the color permanently, locking vibrancy deep into the leather's structure.
Gloss finishing transforms the surface into something that feels almost alive under the light.
Where nature's pattern needs enhancement, precision embossing ensures every scale is defined, uniform, and visually striking.
Every batch undergoes rigorous tensile and tear strength testing, because luxury must also mean durability. Crocodile leather is unlike anything else. Its texture tells a story that no synthetic material can ever replicate. In the final stage, the leather is refined, polished, and finished to achieve its signature texture, preparing it for transformation.
Our finishing process creates a surface that actively repels moisture, ensuring longevity in the hands of the end customer.
Color fastness testing ensures the dye never fades, bleeds, or transfers, but a critical requirement for luxury accessories. Before anything leaves our Asheville facility, it passes through the final quality grading table, ATINS, the last line before luxury. Acid-free tissue wrapping protects the finish from any contact damage during storage and transit.
Full traceability, from farm to fashion house. Every hide carries its complete history in a single scan.
Finished leather is stored in our climate-controlled vault at optimal temperature and humidity, preserving perfection until the moment of shipment.
Look at the consistency here. It seems slightly uneven near the edge.
Yes, but the new polymerization technique on the blue sample shows significant improvement in durability.
In Asheville City, behind every premium Crocodile leather product is a factory where skill, precision, and teamwork bring every detail to life.
In Asheville, excellence is not an accident. It is the result of a team that has mastered every detail of this extraordinary process.
Into premium boxes, ensuring it reaches its destination in perfect condition.
Every shipment carries full CITES compliance documentation, proof that luxury and responsibility go hand in hand.
Watch your back with that pallet. Got it, thanks.
When it arrives at the hands of the world's greatest designers de Toque, the transformation from hide to icon begins.
Precision cutting cove, every scale pattern aligned, every edge considered. The leather's natural beauty drives every design decision.
A Birkin, a clutch.
From luxury bags to refined accessories, each piece reflects exceptional craftsmanship, precision, and timeless design. Footwear that demands attention, accessories that define status, all made possible by the process that starts in North Carolina. From belts to wallets, Crocodile leather's unique scale pattern makes every product inherently one of a kind.
Behind every luxury product is a team of dedicated professionals who take pride in perfection every single day.
From luxury bags to refined accessories, each piece reflects exceptional craftsmanship, precision, and timeless design. As day turns to night, the Asheville facility never truly stops, because the world's appetite for exceptional leather never does either.
Behind every luxury product lies a story of craftsmanship. This is Behind the Goods.
From the mountains of North Carolina, aflame, to the runways of the world, Crocodile leather, crafted to perfection.